Hey everyone, with the frigid cold temperatures outside, keeping the warm air in and the cold air out is one of the most important things that you can do right now in your house. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Duck brand window installation kit on bay windows. Windows are one of the biggest troubled spots for heat loss. Here's all you'll need: the Duck brand window installation kit, scissors, a hair dryer, and then a cloth or a towel to clean your windows. It's that simple and affordable. Start by cleaning the window frame. This is where the tape will go. This is a really important first step because dust or moisture will keep the tape from sticking well to the window. So be sure that everything is dry and clean before moving on. Now we're going to remove the double-sided tape and start taping around all the sides of the window frame. I like to start at the top just because that's kind of the hardest part to get to. Once you get that out of the way, then the rest of the window is not too bad. Firmly press the tape to the frame of the window as you go, and then once you get your piece length that you need, cut off the excess tape. This should only take a few minutes. Now I'll remove the cover on the top of the double-sided tape, and this is really one of the hardest parts to get under it. And then I'll take the film, measure out how far I need just by basing it off the window, and then cutting along the end of the film. But make sure that you've got enough film and that you don't cut it too short. It's better to have more than you need than less. Once you've unfolded the film, press it tightly upon the double-sided tape so it'll stick to the outside frame of the window. Then proceed to do that to all three other sides of the window. While you are undoing the tape, be sure that you pull tight on the film of the window to make sure that it's tight along each side of the window sill. And when you get to the bottom, just cut off the excess film because you won't need that. Then proceed to do it to any other window that you have in the home. Here's a quick video of me doing my 3 bay windows. I continually pull the film tight and then press it against the tape that's around the windows. See how the film is pretty tight, but it has some creases in it? Well, we'll get rid of those here in just a minute using the hair dryer. But you got to make sure that the tape is all around the window and that there's no air pockets or leaks for air to get out of the window sill. We want to trap the heat inside and keep the cold air outside. Now comes the satisfying part. Use a hair dryer on medium heat and move it slowly across the plastic. Watch as it tightens up and makes the plastic clear and smooth. This seals out drafts and traps warm air inside. This is really one of the most important and fun parts of doing this window installation kit. And that's it. Your bay windows are now insulated, your home is better protected from the frigid cold, and you'll likely notice fewer drafts and lower heating costs. Hopefully you found some benefit from this video, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more great content. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments section below, and I hope you guys have a great day and try to stay warm out there.